If you're an agency owner, then what I'm about to show you might be a bit tricky.
La 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 la, I love Facebook ads. Pa, 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 da, pa, pa. Oh my goodness, my client is getting so many leads and appointments. Ha 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 ha. Hello?
Oh, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Agency Owner. We're getting a lot of book calls now, so I think we can pause.
Yeah, our services are working great. You want to stop? Didn't you close like 5 clients last week?
Yeah, we closed a lot of clients last week, but like most of our calls are actually coming from our reel. It went a bit viral. Yeah.
Well, if we go right here into our call attribution, and then we can actually see that these 7 calls came from ads, these 18 are from my email marketing, and then these 2 are from social media. How do we know? A little secret in forms called hidden fields. Listen, if you're an agency owner and you want to learn how to know where your calls are coming from in GoHighLevel, prove it to your clients, and be a better marketer, in this video, I'm going to reveal how to set up your agency for the highest LTV possible from each client. Because once clients attribute their success to you, they're going to be a client for life. Let's get into it.
First things first, we're going to navigate inside of our sub-account to Sites. Then we're going to go to Forms, Builder. Then we're going to add a form, start from scratch. Next, we're going to add a form element. We're going to come over to Custom Fields. We're going to add a custom field, single line text input. Boom. We're going to call this form, not from, form source. We're going to hit save. Okay, we'll just add this to our additional info section here. Then we're going to come down and we'll actually just search for it, form source. I'm going to drag this on underneath the button here, and we're going to make this a hidden form. And then for our place hidden value here, we're just say booked call. And so inside of this hidden form, whatever you put this on, so let's say you could do it this way. You could have a different form for ads, a different form for your organic, things like that. And inside of this hidden value, you would say ads, or you might say organic. That's one way to do it. But what I'm going to show you is how to take this query key here, and then we're going to create a URL from that will be able to actually change this value depending on what the URL is. So I'm going to save this. So the very next step is that we're going to have to go over to our settings and go over to calendars, and we're going to create a calendar. I'm just going to do a simple calendar for the time being. I'm going to hit form source calendar. That continue. We call this form source. That form source calendar right here. So we're going to go ahead and edit this baby. We're going to come over here to forms and payment, and then instead of the default form, we're going to use our form 172. I'm going to hit save. Okay. Then I'm going to share this link. I'm just going to share the scheduling link here instead of the permanent link. And then when I go to type in my form source, what we're going to do is we're going to add a little question mark, and we're going to go form underscore source equals, and I'm going to say go nuts with GoHighLevel, like that. And we're going to enter it here. Oh, there may be tons. Okay, here we go. So we're just going to select it. I'm just going to fill in my name here. Okay, we're just going to go test at test.com. Okay, 5. Okay, there we go. Agree. Schedule the meeting. Perfect. The next piece here is we're going to go in and we're going to find our booked appointment here under calendars, appointments. Now we're going to click into our Michael test here, And if we go into additional information, let's do this, hide empty fields. Boom, our form source, go nuts with GoHighLevel. Excellent. Now what you can do is basically create that calendar link with whatever you want it to say. So you can say ads, you could say organic, you can say Facebook, whatever you want. When someone books via that link, it's going to fill in that URL parameter. So that is exactly how you set up a URL parameter and hidden fields to be able to use booking links. So now basically you can use the same calendar, but you can attach a different UTM parameter to the end of it just by using the question mark, the name of the query field, and then whatever you want the value to be in order to attribute your booked calls versus some other booked calls. Now you'll be able to prove it. And now that your booked call tracking is working, I want to show you 5 other huge mistakes that I see my clients making when they first get set up with GoHighLevel, and you can check that out right over here.